In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Figma account permanently. Maybe you're moving to another design tool or just looking to clear out your digital footprint a bit. Whatever your reason, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step so that it feels as straightforward as possible. By the end, you'll have successfully deleted your account right from your web browser. To kick things off, head over to Google Chrome and log into your Figma account. This is a crucial step because making any changes to your account settings requires you to be logged in. So, pop in your login details as you usually would. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Figma homepage or your most recent projects. Now, in the upper right-hand corner of your screen, you'll notice your profile icon. This is generally a circular icon with either your picture, if you've uploaded one, or a generic placeholder. Go ahead and click on that icon, which will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll see a range of options related to your account. What you want to do next is click on the Settings option. This will redirect you to the Settings page where you can make a variety of changes to your account. Once you're on the Settings page, start scrolling down. You'll probably notice a bunch of different categories and settings, but don't get sidetracked. We're looking for a very specific section at the bottom called Delete Account. Keep scrolling until you reach the very end of the page where you will find this option. When you've located the Delete Account button, pause for a moment. This is a significant step because clicking it will start the process to permanently delete your account. Ensure that you're truly ready to let go of everything associated with this Figma account, including any projects, teams, and data you might have. If you're certain and there's nothing you need to back up or save, continue by selecting Delete Account. Now, Figma will guide you through a series of confirmation prompts. This is typical for permanent actions as Figma wants to make sure this is really what you intend to do. Carefully follow each prompt and confirm your decision to delete the account. This usually includes verifying your identity by entering your password or confirming through your email. Once you've completed these confirmation steps, your account deletion will be finalized, and there you have it. By following these steps, your Figma account will be permanently deleted. Remember, once your account is gone, it can't be retrieved, so make sure this decision is final before you start. Thank you for watching our step-by-step guide. If you found this helpful, feel free to leave a like or comment below, and for more technical guidance on various platforms, be sure to check out our other videos. Have a great day!